Hey friends, welcome to a new episode of 𝗬𝗶𝗴𝗂 TV. Great to have you back. Today we're talking about a really exciting topic. Is the Earth really round? Sounds exciting, right? Don't worry, we'll make it easy peasy for you to understand. So stay tuned, buckle up and let's discover the secrets of the Earth together.
Hello kids, it's me Easy. Today we want to find out if the Earth is really round. What do you think? Is it like a ball or maybe flat like a pancake? And not only that, we also discover how humans discovered that the Earth moves. Get ready, it's going to be exciting.
Many people used to think that the Earth was a flat disk. They imagined that the sun, moon, and stars were hanging from large glass bowls floating above us.
But around 2,500 years ago, people became curious. Captains noticed that when a ship sails into the distance, the bottom part disappears first. But you can still see the sails. That couldn't possibly be possible with a flat disk, could it? And then they discovered something else. The further south you traveled, the more new stars you could see in the sky. If the Earth were flat, the stars would be the same everywhere.
A smart man named Aristotle wrote these things down and said, "The Earth is a sphere. Pretty clever, right?" Many educated people already knew this in the Middle Ages. But it was only 500 years ago that the sailor Magellan achieved something incredible. He sailed around the world. He was able to convince even the last people.
And did you know that it was even harder to prove that the Earth revolves around the sun? Many people used to think that the Earth was at the center of the universe.
A scientist named Nicolaus Copernicus had a different idea over 500 years ago. He said, "The sun is in the center, and the Earth revolves around it." But people didn't believe that until much later.
It's really exciting what people have discovered, isn't it? The Earth really is like a huge round ball on which we live.
So children, stay curious and look closely at the world. It still has so many secrets. Why do we see the sails of a ship first and only later the hull when it is sailing far away? A, because the ship becomes invisible. B, because the Earth is round. Or C, because the ship becomes smaller. And the correct answer is B, because the Earth is round.
So stay tuned, because there are many more cool things to discover here at 𝗬𝗶𝗴𝗂 TV. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we look forward to seeing you.